Determine the type of visa required. Short-term visa, 30 days, ideal for tourists who plan to stay up to 30 days. Long-term visa, 90 days, suitable for those who wish to stay longer, up to 90 days. Multiple entry visa, for travelers who need to enter and exit multiple times within the validity period. Check eligibility. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months from the date of entry. Some nationalities are eligible for visa on arrival or may have a visa waiver agreement. Prepare required documents. Passport, valid for at least 6 months. Proof of accommodation, hotel bookings, or a letter of invitation if staying with friends or family. Flight itinerary, confirmed round-trip tickets, bank statements, sometimes required to prove sufficient funds for the trip. Travel insurance, coverage for the duration of your stay. Submit the application and pay the visa fee. Online submission. Fill out the application form, upload required documents, and pay the visa fee online. Through an airline or travel agency. Provide documents to them. They handle submission. Fees vary by visa type and duration, payable online via card or through the agency. Wait for processing and receive the visa. Visa processing can take anywhere from 3 to 7 working days. Some services offer expedited processing for an additional fee. Once approved, you will receive an e-visa via email, printed out to present upon arrival in Dubai. Travel to Dubai. Ensure you have all the necessary documents, including your e-visa, passport, and travel insurance when you travel. At the port of entry, present your documents to the immigration officers. You may also be asked about your stay, so have your accommodation and itinerary details handy. Additional tips: double-check requirements. Visa requirements can change, so check the latest updates from official UAE government websites or your local UAE consulate. Apply early. To avoid any delays, apply for your visa well in advance of your planned travel dates. Contact support. If you face any issues or have questions, contact the UAE Immigration Department or the agency through which you applied. Book now, DubaiHotel.a. Thanks for watching. Follow for more updates.